start from the beginning?
Yeah.
This is gonna be cheesy goodness, believe me. Today, we'll be making baked ziti. 5 simple ingredients to make a wonderful dish. Now, I'm a mom of 3, and my nights can be pretty busy and hectic, but this recipe can really make a hearty dish for your family. We start with 1 pound of uncooked ziti pasta. We have our Classico pasta sauce. For the last 3 ingredients, they're all cheese. Our Kraft mozzarella, our Kraft Parmesan cheese, and to top it all off, we have our Polio ricotta cheese. All of these ingredients together make a wonderful dish. So let's get started by cooking our pasta. Make sure you stir it so that the pasta doesn't stick. You want to make sure that you cook your pasta to al dente, which means slightly firm. Once you add your pasta sauce, your ricotta, and the other cheeses, it's going to bring moisture to your pasta, and you don't want a mushy dish. Now that our pasta is almost done, we want to remove some of the pasta water so we can add it to our sauce. So now that our pasta is done, we're going to strain off the water and take our pasta over to our sauce and other ingredients in order to combine it to make our dish. We're gonna start with our ricotta. We're gonna place it in the bowl here, and then we're gonna add our pasta sauce. Get those nice chunky tomatoes. And then you wanna stir. And then you want to add 1/2 cup of our pasta water. Now you pour that right in. The starch from the pasta really adds a little special kick to your recipe. Now we want to add our pasta. This is a fun activity for your kids. Just having them grab the pasta, the wet noodles, they'll really enjoy that. Now you just stir gently, making sure all of your pasta gets covered in sauce. Now we're just gonna add a little bit of our mozzarella to this dish, about 1/2 cup, and mix it again. Look at that, this is gonna be cheesy goodness. Believe me. So now that all of our pasta sauce and ricotta and mozzarella are all mixed in, we're gonna add it to our baking dish that's been sprayed with cooking spray. So now we're gonna add the rest of our mozzarella cheese. Another great step for your kids. Kids like making their food and playing with their food. So go ahead and get them involved in making this dish. And then let's sprinkle on some Parmesan cheese. Sometimes I add a little bit of dry oregano or basil on top just to give a little pop of color. We're gonna bake our dish for 30 minutes in a 350-degree oven. You want to bake this dish for 30 minutes covered and then for 10 minutes uncovered. This is one that's good for winter time, fall time, great comfort food. Oh, look at that cheese, it's melty. It's really good. That's it. Only 5 ingredients to make this wonderful dinner. Please like our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and let me know what other 5 ingredient recipes you would like for us to make. The full recipe can be found in the link to this video, as well as myfoodandfamily.com. See you later.